Hello everyone, welcome to BSTC and I am Riddle. So today I have come up with a different question for you all. This is also from quadratic equation, and interestingly this question was introduced first at 850 AD. So that much old question it is. So the question is, out of a number of Saras birds, 1/4 the number are moving about in lotus plants. 1/9 coupled along with 1/4 as well as 7 times the square root of the number move on a hill. 56 birds remain in Vakula trees. What is the total number of birds? So this is kind of riddle for you all. So let us decode the question sentence by sentence. Out of a number of Saras birds. So here the number of birds is not given. So we'll consider it to be something, maybe a variable. 1/4 the number, that means number means the number which we will assume as the total number of birds. 1/4 of that number are moving about in lotus plants, so they are going to the lotus plants. Now 1/9, ninth means 1/9 of the total number coupled along together with 1/4. That means again first we will find 1/9, again we will find 1/4 of the number given, as well as 7 times the square root of the number. Whatever number you consider, you have to consider the square root of the number and then 7 times of the number. So there are three things together mentioned here: 1/9 coupled with 1/4 and then 7 times the square root of the number. So all these numbers together, they move on a hill. 56 birds remain in Vakula trees. That means out of the total number of birds, 56 birds are still in Vakula trees. We have to find the total number of birds. So for this kind of question, what we can do, unlike the other questions or the questions which we did yesterday, I considered the unknown value to be x. Here, because I have to consider the square root of the number, so let us consider the total number of birds to be x squared. Because in that way, to use the square root of the number, it will be easier for us to write only x, because the square root of x squared is only x, correct? Let me start the answer right. Let the total number of birds equals to x squared. Okay. Now as per the first sentence, 1/4 the number are moving about in lotus plants. To lotus plants, how many birds have moved? 1/4 of the number. That means 1/4 of x squared, which can be written as x squared by 4. Now 1/9 coupled along with. So this is the main equation. So let me write the equation directly. So according to equation, 1/9 of 1/9 coupled 1/9 of the total number. Total number was x squared. So 1/9 of x squared can be directly written as x squared by 9. Correct? Coupled along means together. Together means plus. 1/4. 1/4 of the number means again x squared by 4. As well as 7 times. As well as means again plus. 7 times means multiply. 7 multiply with square root of the number. What is the number we consider? X squared. So square root of x squared will be only x. So you can directly write 7 into x or simply 7x. Okay. Now this is the numbers which move to hill, and then 56 birds are remaining. So remember, previously this much birds moved to lotus plants. That means if we add this much bird, x squared by 4, and then also if we add 56 birds which are remaining birds, then if we add all of them, then I will get total number of birds. And total number of birds we already considered to be x squared, isn't it? So this will be the main equation. Now let's solve it. At first, let us bring the like terms together. So I will keep x squared by 9 plus x squared by 4 plus x squared by 4 once again. Okay. This x squared by 4 and this x squared by 4 are different, remember that. Plus, minus x squared, because I will bring this x squared to this side, and then there will be 56 I can keep here, and I can carry 7x to other side, or you can also keep it on the same side. Let me keep it on the same side only, not to make any further confusion. So it's 0. Now let us find the LCM. The denominators are 9, 4, 4. 4 and 4 are same, so only 9 and 4 can be multiplied to get the LCM. So the LCM is 36. 9 4 the 36, 4 into x square is 4x square. 4 9 the 36, 9 into x square is 9x square. 4 9 the 36, again 9x square, minus this number is alone, so it will be multiplied with 36, so it is 36x square. Then I will multiply 56 with 36, and finally I will multiply 7x with 36, and on the right hand side nothing remains. I will say there is 0 already, so let us keep it as it is. In the next step, I will cross multiply 36 with 0, thus to make there is no denominator. So let me add these numbers. 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22x square, and then 36x square. When you subtract, you will get minus 14x square. Then 36 and 56, and plus multiply 56 and 36, we will get 6 is a 36, 3 carry over, so it is 33, 18, 1 carry over, 16, so 6, 1, 0, 2, 2016. So minus 14x square plus 2016, and then 7x into 36, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry over, 252x equals to 36 into 0 is 0. Now this looks like a quadratic equation, right? Let us simplify this. Multiplying both sides with minus sign, I will get positive 14x square, then it will be minus 252x, then it will be minus 2016 equals to 0. Now finally I got one quadratic equation. Now children, as you can see, this equation is quite large with numbers, right? So why don't we reduce them? I see the first number, the coefficient is 14, so I will try to divide all the numbers by 14 if it is divisible by 14. If not, then I will try with some lesser number. 14 can be divided by 14, obviously. 14, if I can see that this number can be also divided by 14, and in fact this number is also divisible by 14. So let us divide it. So it is x squared minus 14 ones are 14. Then 11 carry over 112, 14 is 112, 18x minus 14 ones are 14, 6 carry over 61, 14 for the 56, 5 carry over 56, 14 for the 56, 144. Now let us factorize it. 144. When you multiply, you get 144. We have to look for two numbers which when multiplied gets to 144, and when added or subtracted they must give 18. So let us divide, factorize. I will to say 72, then 36, then 18, then 9, then 3 is a 9. Let us make a combination. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 2 into 2 into 3 6, 6 into 18, 18 and 8 won't give you 18. Let us try a different combination. What we can do, I can multiply 3 into 2, I will get 6, and then I will multiply these numbers. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So 24 and 6, when you subtract, you get 18, correct? That means I got the combinations. So I will write x square minus 24 minus 6 into x minus 144 equals to 0. So when I factorize, I will get x square minus 24 plus 6x minus 144 equal to 0. Why this plus 6x? Because minus and minus gives you plus. Taking common from these two, you will get x minus 24, and taking common here 6, then you will again get x minus 24. So let us write the factors, which is x minus 24 and then x plus 6 equals to 0. So there are two factors, and both of them when multiplies gives us 0. Any one of them must be 0, right? Let me solve the remaining part here. That means if I do either and or, I will get x equals to either 24, I will get minus 6. Of course, minus 6 is impossible, that cannot be the number of birds. So therefore, x equals to 24. But we consider the number of birds to be x squared. That means we will write total number of birds, and that will be 24 square, and the square of 24 is 576. So this is the answer. There are 576 number of birds. So students, if you understood this video, if you understood this question, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And this is from BSTC. Thank you so much.